is this beautiful truck?
It's a 53.
53.
That's what it looked like when we got it.
Oh, phenomenal.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow. How long ago was that?
About 35 years, maybe. They got a lot.
Beautiful restoration. Where did you find it?
My husband's godfather bought it brand new.
Is that right?
Yeah, and then he retired. He used to be a landscaper, and when he had this high sides on it, and then when he retired, it sat in his backyard getting BB holes from the grandkids, and rust and dents and broken glass. And he said, "Do you want this?" And Simon goes, "Yeah. How much you want for it?"
No kidding.
He said, "Yeah, I'll take it." He said, "Just take it." He said, "No, I can't just take it. You have sons." He said, "Has any of them taken it?"
Right.
No. None of them cared. They don't even stop their kids from destroying it.
I know, and that's the thing. It's like so many of these cars,
Yeah.
it just has to go to someone who's going to do right by it.
Yeah. So it was his godfather and uncle, so he goes, "I'll take care of it, you watch."
Well, and that all worked out.
Yeah.
So good. Thank you for sharing.